Hi, it's Roger Pettingell, Sarasota's luxury waterfront property specialist. I'm coming to you from St. Armands Circle, which, different than 2 days ago, is no longer filled with water. What it is filled with is enthusiasm, rebuilding, renovating, exhaustion. It is inspiring, though, to see people coming back. People are helping each other. I don't know how long it's going to take, a week, a month, a couple months for some people, different amounts of time for different places, but the energy is here to make things as good or better than they ever were. We're learning some lessons. Valuable lesson is if there's any threat of storm surge and you have a car that's on grade, move it. We've seen quite a few cars that have been destroyed. One's found in condominium first level garages. Elevators, a lot of the elevators in the condominiums in downtown are not working. Motherboards have been burned out, or that's something definitely to think about. Storage units that are on the first level, we've seen some flooding and damage there. Get your stuff out of storage units if you ever see a storm coming. Hopeful signs of things like Publixes that are open all around town, helping people with all of their food needs and internet needs sometimes. We see a lot of dirty pools. We see pools that are being emptied and being refilled with new fresh chemicals. A lot of carpets being removed from different properties. In cases where there were 2 or 3 feet of storm damage, you see people taking out the drywall up to 2 or 3 feet, airing everything out and then getting it back in its original condition. And you have to remember this, I've been here for 43 years and never seen an event anywhere near like this. So as tragic as it is, and in some cases, particularly like the Anna Maria or north end of Longboat, or even just people's homes who got 2 to 3 feet of water and ruined their furnishings and their personal keepsakes, that is very tragic. But it is also something that is very, very rare. Thankfully, we're happy that we don't get to see that happen. We hope to never see it happen again. But remember that we are always here for you, for our friends and our customers and clients, either to just help you or support you or give you referrals of how to get help and support. So give us a call if you need us at 941-387-1840.